Hi guys, this is Subhashmita and I'm back with, guess what? Yes, another interior related video. So today's video is not exactly related to interiors but to interior designers, yes, the profession. So you guys have heard terms like interior decorator, interior designers, interior architects, civil engineers. So what is the difference between exactly in all these professions? So we are going to go through all these professions one by one and we'll see the difference. So interior decorators, they basically work with the look and feel of the interiors. They select the textiles, the furniture, the kind of paint, the kind of decorative element that goes into interior, which basically gives the decor its character. They don't design furniture, they cannot customize the furniture for you, or they cannot do the space planning. They mostly work with the look and feel of the interiors. Whereas an interior designer not only works with the decor part but they also work with the interior spaces. They carefully examine the interior space and the requirements and come up with a solution which is both functional and beautiful. They go through all the building plans, the electrical plans, the plumbing plans before designing a area so that it's both safe as well as functional. According to your requirements, they can also design a customizable furniture that is suitable for your requirements. They can select the colors, the upholsteries, the fabric, lightings, decor items, keeping in mind the aesthetic of your interiors. Now let's take a look at what interior architects do. So they do everything that an interior designer can do. In addition, they can also alter the shell of your interior space. Shell as in the partition walls, the doors, the windows. If required, they can alter the design a little bit, keeping in mind the safety of the structure. Sometimes interior architects are involved in the process right from the beginning, from when the construction starts, so that the plan is made as such to accommodate all the interior requirements as well as client requirements, so that at a later stage we don't have to do a lot of alterations. Those of you who have been through the interior process will have an idea that we have to make a lot of electrical point changes or plumbing line changes while designing a space that is equally functional and aesthetic looking. So that was all about the interior architects. Now let's see what an architect's job is. So our architect is a person who plans, designs and overlooks the execution of the design for the building. In addition to designing the buildings, they also take care of the services related to the buildings, as in the security services, the fire safety, disaster safety. They work within federal jurisdictions of the local planning and zoning offices. Since an architect's job affects public safety, they have to go specialized trainings and advanced education for 5 years to earn the license to practice architecture. Whereas a civil engineer mostly looks after the execution and construction part of the building. They decide what material should be used in the construction of the building. They basically divide the load between the columns and beams and decide the load bearing capacity of the materials that are being used. In addition to the construction of buildings, they are also involved in construction of roads, railways, airports, dams and all those things. So this is the basic difference in all these professions. Again, if you go into detail, there are a lot of differences and a lot of responsibilities related to the professions, but this was the overview. So now you know whom to approach to for your particular requirements. So I hope this video was useful and interesting. So if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any further questions, you can write it in the comment section.